Picturesque, serene, tranquil. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home on 3.9 acres is just that. 2019 construction just outside of Brownsboro. Light and bright, the open floor plan with vaulted ceiling not only connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas but allows for an ease in everyday living. The kitchen is stylish and equipped with quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash, large island with storage and seating, stainless appliances, and pantry. The split master with ensuite bath is spacious with a generous walk-in closet. The master bath with an oversized 4x5 shower is nicely appointed. The 2 guest rooms share a full hall bath and provide ample space for family or guests. A full-size laundry room completes the interior space. Outside, enjoy the country views from either the covered back patio or the additional adjacent covered areas. Wonderful storage building and fully floored attic over the garage for extra storage. The property is completely fenced with a gate and has a pond. Convenient to town as well. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.